Water system and toilet system. Potable water. The potable water system provides fresh water to the galleys and lavatory sinks. This water is also delivered to toilets as a rinse during toilet flushing. The water is stored in a 53-gallon tank that is located just behind the forward cargo compartment. Water pressure is provided when bleed air is applied to pressurize the tank. The bleed air may be applied from the operating APU and operating engine, or when a ground source of compressed air is applied to the pneumatic system. An alternate method of pressurizing the water tank on the ground is to directly connect an air pressure source to the service panel pressure port on the water service panel. There is an electrically powered water heater for each basin. There is a manual shut-off valve for each wash basin and galley area. The valve is marked with an open and shut legend to identify the two positions of the valve. While flight crews will not normally operate these valves, it may be necessary to close a valve in the event of a leak during flight. The tank may be refilled or drained from the service panel located on the bottom of the fuselage. The water quantity indications are displayed on the service panel and on the forward attendance panel. Wastewater. The wastewater from the lavatory sinks and galley areas is drained overboard through electrically heated drain masts. The wastewater drain force is provided by cabin differential pressure when the aircraft is in flight or by gravity when the aircraft is on the ground. An air stop valve is used to inhibit the overflow of air unless the sink is intentionally drained. The forward lavatory sink and galley areas drain through the forward drain mast. The aft lavatory sink and galley areas drain through the aft drain mast. Toilet flushing. The aircraft is equipped with a single 45-gallon waste storage tank. The tank is maintained at a negative pressure in order to forcibly draw waste from the toilet when the toilet flush valve is opened. Waste tank negative pressure is provided by cabin differential air when the aircraft is above 16,000 feet. When the aircraft is below 16,000 feet, a vacuum generator provides the negative pressure. The flush sequence activates both a rinse valve and a flush valve. The valves are electrically operated. The rinse valve applies fresh water from the potable water system to the toilet bowl, and the flush valve opens to evacuate the contents of the bowl. If a flush valve fails to operate, a manual-operated flush control handle is located under the toilet bowl. A flush valve that remains open will allow cabin air to be continuously discharged overboard and produces a loud noise. Ground personnel can rinse and flush this system through a service panel under the fuselage. The waste level of the tank is displayed on the forward attendance panel. Now let's answer some questions about this system.